So, I just bought the new Lay's chicken and waffles flavored chips, and a lot of you guys wanted me to do a first reaction video. Can't express how much I really don't want to do it, but it's not really up to me. Okay, I haven't opened them or anything. Kind of just don't want to do it, but oh well. Okay. Set it down for a second. They smell horrible. Oh, the things I do. Okay. No. Let's find a good one. Yeah. Okay. So there they are. They smell horrible. I really don't want to do it, but whatever. Oh, they're not even fresh. They're really bad. They're really bad. It's just like burnt fried chicken and syrup. Oh. The worst $2.97 on the face of this planet. Just horrible. I would not recommend buying these whatsoever. Don't do it, America. Don't.